just received this from Infotainment. It's the digital rear view mirror for my pickup. You can get it for just about any model truck, I believe. My truck didn't come with this, so I do want to have this upgrade. I have it in one of my vehicles and I really like it. So it's just a regular mirror, but it also converts to the digital camera so you can really see behind you. So they send you the mirror, and they also give you the cab light that goes in the back of your box on your truck. Or not the box, but the cab. And it has the camera in there, so it allows you to see behind the vehicle clearly with no obstructions when you're going down the road. They also give you a harness. So yeah, this is the actual OEM mirror from GM. And I'm going to be installing this in my truck today and see how it works. What do you think, Pepper? Hey, gonna get this installed today or what? All right, let's get it done. All right, so basically I'm going to be replacing this mirror here with the digital one. So start out, you're just going to pop this out, get going. You need a long T15 to get up in here. You can't get a socket in here or any type of driver because the hole's narrow. All right. All right. Okay. So, this mirror out of here. That just unplugs. All right. A total of 12 bolts in here, man. But you gotta get out of here. The whole light should just come out of there. Just like that. Take those clips off of that wire over there and we should be good. Pop that out. Take that out. Tabs there. It slides out. This is the old light. This is a new light with the camera. Pops in, bam. That's it. And slide the new one in. There you go. My cable. Just run that through like that. That's it. Test this thing out. bing. All right. Off, on, should be good to go, man. I'm gonna get all this button back up right quick, and yeah, see how it looks. Good. All right. Put these on. Okay. Done. I put all this shit back together without testing that thing out. Oh, fuck. So I'll get the mirror all installed. There you go. You want to turn it off, you just push it back. You can, I don't know what all these buttons are for. I think you can, oh. I think you can change the position of the camera. But anyway, I haven't gone through all the buttons yet, but I installed it. This is up and down. You can raise it up and down. Come here. That changes the brightness if you want to brighten it up. These are pretty common in all the new vehicles. I just didn't have it in this one, but I have it in one of my other cars. That's why I wanted to put it in here. And you can go further away, come closer, zoom in, zoom out. I'm gonna leave it out, and then you can change the angle of it up and down, which is pretty cool. So yeah, infotainment, if you guys are interested in this, let me know. I recommend it, and I'll leave a link in the description below. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm on to the next one. Let's get on up out of here.